Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable automatic remapping on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. When the mopping is detected to be inaccurate, which means after mopping the robot detects it's still a little dirty or something, then you can simply go to the settings, go to floor cleaning setting, and now enable automatic remapping. And when a dirty area is detected during mopping, robot will return to the dock for mop washing and double mop after. You can enable that, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.